Hi everybody, welcome to JCH Studio. Today I am going to guide you how to model a jack which is used in the bathrooms. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe my channel. If you like the video, share it with your friends. And if you are very new to 3D modeling, see my older videos for the absolute beginners. Let's begin. Press Shift A and create a circle. Go to edit mode and go to the front view and select vertices and E to extrude and Z axis and S to scale and create some more edge loops. Go to the last bottom vertices. In bottom select everything in vertices selection and E to extrude and scale, E to extrude scale, E to extrude scale, M to merge at center. Now select all the corner edges, press Ctrl B to bevel and create some using some additional loop cuts. You can create the beveling. Go to the face selection and select these face in using a Alt key and E to extrude in Z axis. And in edge selection I am going to select all the edges whatever is required for me. So I am selected the same and I press Ctrl B to bevel and I am going to raise it the same. Okay, let it be this much is enough. And I press Ctrl 3 and right click Shade Smooth. In object properties I am going to select auto smooth. In edit mode I am going to disable subdivision visual in the edit mode. Go to edit option and create a new loop cuts. Go to the top view, go to the wireframe and select these vertices and GX to move towards like this. And once again in object mode, edit mode, I am disabling the auto smooth. Now I am going to select all the edges and E to extrude and scale and E to extrude Z axis. Make sure you have selected this vertices selection and I am going to make it little bit move upper, not to get that much distance. And now we are going to in edit mode we see it comes like this. I am going to select the edges and Ctrl B to bevel. Now we can able to see we have some smooth corner for the cup, and here after this so I am going to select these edges okay. I do one thing, I select this one and Ctrl B to bevel and you can able to see we have some smooth corner for this. You can create one more edge loops and we can see how it looks. Yeah, it looks better. Fine. So this base model has been completed. Now we can go for the handle design. I go to edit mode and I select these two faces. Okay, I select these two. Shift D to duplicate, right click to cancel. Go to the front view and E to extrude in X axis. Scale it in X axis 0. I move it little bit down. E to extrude again. And go to the top view and I am creating one edge loops here. One more thing here. Go to the vertices selection. I am going to select this and here orientation I am going to select and I am in the smooth type and G to move. I am going to reduce this one and I am going to move like this. So now we have some cool shape in this corner. always make the subdivision 3. I go to edit mode and I'm going to select Ctrl L and Shift H to hide others. Go to edit mode and I'm going to select this thing and X to delete the faces which is not required for us, which will come this shape correctly for us. Alt H to unhide everything, and I create one edge loop here and go to the face selection. Now we can able to view one smooth corner has been came for us, and E to extrude in Z axis. Go to the front view. I make it move like this. Okay, I am turning off the orientation using a O key. Okay, E to extrude in Z axis and GX. So now I am going to give a little more big because it will be having some much big more. Okay, I hope the design has been completed here. Here I am going to give some more smoothness here for looking too good. Okay, I am going to side view. Okay, bottom view I am going to select these two edges, 3 edges, and I am going to make it in side view GZ to move, and I select only the in between center one and GZ to move. So I make it in. Okay, yeah, this looks one cool shape which is required for us, and the corner we have given everything smooth for the further usages. Okay, now our cup has been ready. Here we are going to go do for the coloring mode. I am going to the render, press new on the material, and I am going to turn on my studio mode, and I go for the rendering view. I go for the camera view and period to zoom in. So in camera view I am going to unlock the view and zoom it in. Okay, fine. So here I am going to give some more coloring for this, and this was instead of white I am going to give some blue color, and I am going to make it a little bit darker, and I am going to give some more roughness. I am going to reduce a little bit, and I am going to the material preview. You can able to see the cup has been created and given the basic color. So this is the cup finally is finished now. Anything required or any model need to be done and demo is required, so kindly give it in the description, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Bye bye.